Good morning. I know if any of you know me, you know that I'm always looking for bargains and deals to use in my business. I want to show you my latest find. It's like a $8,000 piece of equipment I got for $1,000. And basically what was wrong with it was the carburetor was all gummed up and dirty. And I'm really not sure that this burner's ever been used. So this is what I got. I got a Landa 3500 pressure washer that works at 235 degrees. Now let me tell you why I did this. I'm a firm believer that first impressions are everything in business. If you show up to a job and your equipment is nasty and it's dirty and it's not clean and everything looks junky, my opinion is, because I look at this when I have people come to my place, it's important to me that they keep up with their business. Because if I see junky stuff coming to my place, I'm gonna question what type of job they're gonna do for me. So the reason I bought this is to get rid of all the grease on my money maker, because it puts out a lot of grease when you're greasing all those fittings. Also, I want my trucks clean. Now I'll have to back way off on this one or I'll peel the paint off. But the trailer, my trailer over there, that thing collects a lot of grease and grime and dirt. But I just wanted to tell you that it is important to keep your equipment clean. And besides, I think it runs better. Anyways, I wanted to tell you my find. I'm super excited about it because, you know, if you don't know, these things are terribly expensive. I was looking at a new one, started looking at the reviews on it, and they're all sitting, you know, they're okay. But the Landa high pressure washer heater is pretty amazing. We ran it after we got all the gum out of it, and it's worked out great. And I'm just super impressed, and I'm happy that when I show up to my customer's place now, all those grease streaks that I have, they'll be gone. Anyways, God bless you, and I hope you have a great weekend.